Susie, what is the storage capacity of a brain?
The human brain has an incredible storage capacity. Scientists estimate it can hold 2.5 million gigabytes of data.
That is huge. How does that compare to movies?
That would be like playing a movie for 300 years continuously.
Amazing. And how fast does information travel inside the brain?
Information zooms through neurons faster than a sports car. It can reach speeds of up to 268 miles an hour.
I have a question. Does the brain feel pain during headaches?
Actually, the brain itself cannot feel any pain at all. It has no pain receptors, even though it processes pain signals.
Interesting. Is the brain made of muscle like our arms?
No, Dad. The human brain is actually the fattest organ. About 60% of the human brain is just fat.
Oh, so much fat. Does it use a lot of energy?
Yes. Even though it is small, it is very hungry. It uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy.
Susie, can the human brain do two things at once?
Science says true multitasking is impossible for the human brain. The brain just switches between tasks extremely fast.
Susie, is a bigger brain always smarter than a smaller one?
Not really. Brain size does not determine intelligence at all. Albert Einstein's brain was actually smaller than the average brain.
Really? Then how heavy is an average human brain?
An adult human brain weighs about 3 pounds or 1.4 kilograms.
That is quite heavy. Does it need fresh air to work?
Yes, the brain is extremely sensitive to oxygen levels. Without oxygen for just 5 minutes, brain damage can start.
Susie, does the brain sleep when we go to sleep?
No way! The brain becomes more active when humans sleep. That is when it processes memories and creates vivid dreams.
One last question. How many neurons are inside our heads?
There are approximately 86 billion neurons working right now.
Now, here is a quiz question for all of you.
What happens to the brain size if you don't drink water?
If you know the answer, write it in the comments.
Or check our next shorts video to find out.
Thank you, Susie. Friends, subscribe for more amazing facts.
See you again. Bye-bye.